Hey, this is Nathan Gist, and I've got a straight up truth for you today. Nothing changes until you decide it does. Not your habits, not your results, not your relationships, not your mindset. You can read all the books. You can listen to all the podcasts. You can go to the workshops. You can buy the programs. You can write the goals. You can make the vision boards. But if you don't decide, like really decide, nothing shifts. Because change doesn't respond to how much you know. Change responds to what you do. And no matter how many times you say it, I want to be better, I want to feel different, I want to stop this cycle, if you're still hesitating, still waiting for clarity or confidence or convenience, then let me tell you what's really happening. You haven't decided yet. You've considered, you've talked about it, you've almost committed, but deep down, you're still leaving the back door open. And listen, I get it. Making a real decision feels risky. It means cutting off all other options. It means going first, before the evidence, before the applause, before the guarantee. It means taking ownership of your life instead of blaming the timing, the past, or the pressure. But here's what you need to hear. Your breakthrough is on the other side of that decision. The freedom, the growth, the momentum, the peace, it's not coming from more thinking. It's not coming from another 3-week plan. It's coming from you. Deciding that the old story is done. That excuses don't get to run the show anymore. That version of you that's been waiting to become starts showing up now. Because every time you delay the decision, you're reinforcing the old identity, the one that says, I'll start next week. It's not the right time. Let me get through this season. But nothing about your external life will shift until your internal identity takes the lead. You don't rise into change. You decide into it. So what would happen today if, right now, you made the decision? Not to fix it all, not to fake being perfect, but to say, this is where it ends. This is where it turns. This is where I stop waiting and start moving. One decision can interrupt the entire plan. One decision can break the momentum from fear and restart your future. One decision can shift the way that you see yourself and the way the world responds to you. And if you're thinking, but I've tried before, let me tell you this. The difference between trying and deciding, trying says, I hope this works. Deciding says, this is who I am now. Period. You don't need perfect conditions. You need a line in the sand. So draw it. Make the move. Cut the excuse. Own the choice. Nothing changes until you decide it does. So decide. You've got this.